Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Know which AirPods you lost and the Apple ID they use. Open the Find My app on your iPhone or sign into iCloud. This locates last known positions. Once done, make sure Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services are on so nearby signals register. Tap Devices, select your AirPods, and view the map. This gives a recent location or last seen time. Now move to active searching using sound and offline options. If your AirPods show offline, start with play sound if they briefly appear online. This emits a distinct chirp so you can home in. Next, enable lost mode to display a contact number and keep track of status updates. This helps if someone finds them. Meanwhile, manually retrace your steps and scan typical areas while watching the Find My map for location updates. Make sure to check pockets, bags, car seats, cushions, and clothing because Bluetooth range can be short and intermittent. For final recovery, use the timestamped map and nearby devices list to narrow timing and place. Once done, physically inspect the spot at the exact time window indicated. If you still can't find them and suspect theft, report loss to local authorities and provide serial and last known location. Make sure to review Apple's replacement and warranty options or contact Apple support for a replacement AirPod or case. If troubleshooting fails, remove the device from your account to protect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.